My name is Alexander Seyf. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Autolomous. We've been around since 2019. Our mission is to help the industry to progress and to come to more solid standing from execution perspective. So digitization, we believe, is a key factor for automation, scalability, and bringing the cost of goods down and make it more accessible to patients. So that's our mission, and we do it through the tools of technology, but predominantly to connect the industry together. I'm excited about digitization in general, technology in general. So which one is prominent right now or not, it doesn't matter. The self-realization that technology is a necessity, and we need to harness the emerging technology within our field. I think that's exciting. So I think the umbrella of getting to digitization and using the technology for the benefit of medicine, I think that's the exciting part for me. Today, the technology has evolved in such a way that we can be a certain about security. And the more we rely on technology's fundamentals, the better it is to handle them. If you're too cautious, then actually we might break it without knowing it. So understanding the limitation, but understanding the power and the evolution of technology is very important. But being too cautious, it becomes very much like financial market. They are almost suffocating themselves, but getting too hanged on what if it happens. So I think building scenarios and understanding what needs to be protected and how we can protect it is quite essential. I think collaboration is a key. I believe the history has taught us in general that we need to learn from our mistakes. But my mistakes is everybody's mistakes, right? So the more we share, the more we care, and the more we progress. I think 2025 is going to be a very important year for our industry to forge and to work together more collaboratively, to share our experience from things that it hasn't worked, so nobody else should repeat it again. Things has worked, and we need to embrace it and guide the industry to better prosperity. So I think connectivity for me is the key topic for 2025.